Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at the EagleTec KG010 mechanical keyboard. I got this off of Amazon for about £28, which is a pretty decent price for a mechanical keyboard. There's 3 different color choices. I chose the one with black and blue backlights, but there's also white with turquoise lights and white with rainbow lights as well. The keyboard connects to a simple USB plug and play. There's really nothing complicated about that. The keys are absolutely amazing. The clicks are a bit loud, but I actually like it that way. If you have roommates or family members who hate loud clicking sounds, then this is probably not the keyboard you want to buy. But overall, this is an excellent keyboard for gaming and basic needs. That's it for this review. Thumbs up if you liked it, subs if you loved it. See you guys next time.